I already know it's the lion! Whoa, do you hear that? That's just my ferocious stomach. What do you want for breakfast, Chris?
Shake.
And they use them to chase away predators.
I've got to get a sandwich. Emergency landings make me hungry.
Worried about you.
Guys, I'm picking up a low rumbling sound northeast of our location.
I don't hear any rumbling other than my stomach.
Those are all familiar sounds. The katydids, the stream, the rumble in my hungry stomach. We have lots of senses that we can use.
What's that? Something's out there. There it is again.
Jimmy, do you know what that growl is coming from?
I don't want to know.
Your stomach.
Oh, well, that's because I'm starving out. And there's no food down here either.
Dan. Wait, what's that? Owl hearing, maximum power. It's Jimmy's stomach.
That's the sound it...
You're so hungry. But I am so ready to get out there with my new powers and find out why groundhogs come up and look around at the end of winter. But first I need a snack.
We're living off the energy you stored from eating all those dandelion salads.
Ooh, I'm hungry.
You can be high in the canopy. This search might take a while.
Yikes. I better get back to that parachute so they can find me. But which way is it? Might need to refuel first. Oh, who am I kidding? I've got to eat.
That's gonna be a lot tougher than we thought. Oh, a lion's back! No, that's just my stomach growling.
Oh, okay. Ooh, you're hungry. Real hungry.
Where to? They both help take care of the kids.
A belly rumble. The kids are getting hungry.
So powerful. And so hungry. You too? That's what I thought.
I also feel kind of sleepy. And really hungry. Oh, I need to find something to eat